Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a hair treatment, and if there's something you're interested in, please do well to subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell. Now let's get started. We are doing a hair growth treatment or hair growth mask. If your hair is breaking, your hair is thinning out and you don't know what to do, your hair has reached a point where it's not growing anymore and you don't know what to do, try this hair growth mask and it's going to be a game changer for you. Our first ingredient is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds is very healthy for the hair. Like, you should, I think when you Google the benefits of fenugreek seeds, you see tons of benefits it does to the hair. So in this video I'm boiling fenugreek seeds. You see it in a powder form because I attempted to make it fenugreek powder, but the blender wasn't very strong, so that was the result I got. So I bought fenugreek seeds and I wanted it to be as soft as I can because fenugreek seeds is very hard. Like, it can be really hard, and if you want to soften it a bit, you need to soak it like overnight or something. But then I didn't have the luxury of time, so I had to boil it and then blend it. I'll be adding my treatment. This was a pre-poo treatment I did. I'll add the link to this video, and I added it to it because I didn't want to throw it away. I didn't want to waste these hairs because they are still very powerful and very nutritious. So I added my herbs to the fenugreek seeds and then I made sure I blended it to a fine paste. If you have a strong blender that can blend it to a very smooth paste, please go ahead and blend it to a very smooth paste. It was really making noise in my blender, so I just stopped halfway and then decided to sieve it. Like, I can't use all this in my hair. If I was able to get everything smooth out, I've used everything in my hair. So right after here, I sieve the seeds from the treatment itself, from the juice itself, because that is what I'll be using in my hair. If you decide to use the treatment like that on your hair, you will have a lot of lumps in your hair and you wouldn't like it, my dear. I'm telling you, you wouldn't really like it because you find it very difficult washing it out of your hair. So trying to separate it this way is one of the best way to get the nutrients or the juice into your hair, and this is really healthy. I'm doing this because my blender is not very strong. If I had a very strong blender, or if I had the patience to blend it to a very fine paste, I'm sure I'd have gotten more than I got here. So this is it. You could tell it feels a bit slimy. It is the flaxseed gel that's in it that has made it slimy. You know what's flaxseed? It is a bit slippery. That is what has made this treatment slimy. So you can tell this is the consistency I had. I wanted it to be lighter, so I added a little bit of water to make it lighter. I'm adding amla powder just for some added benefit. You know, amla powder is also very strengthening for the hair, so I'm adding it. You know, I wanted a lot of nutrients, so I'm adding this amla powder. This is very good for the hair. When you use it on your hair, you feel how strong your hair will become. You really feel that yes, you have added something beneficial to your hair. So I added a little bit of water to it and then I applied it on my hair. So this is my freshly washed hair. I just shampooed my hair and I used the pre-poo that I'll put the link on the channel so you can watch how I did a pre-poo and I shampooed my hair. So now I'm applying this deep conditioner treatment. You should do this on a clean hair. Even though it is going to make your hair a bit messy, it's advisable to do it on clean hair where your pores are very clean, so that your scalp will be able to absorb all this nutrient. And yeah, you should do this. When you do this, you realize that your next wash day, your hair will be feeling thicker and stronger. You really know how your hair will be feeling thicker and stronger. So apply the treatment on the hair and the scalp as well, like on the hair and the scalp as well, and I could feel how strong my hair became. Like, I really enjoyed or liked how my hair felt. My hair felt really good from this treatment, and I think I'll be doing it again. You can do this treatment once in every month or depending on how your hair feels. I think this is a strengthening treatment because fenugreek, rosemary powder, flaxseed gel, amla powder, all of these are strengthening benefits. They really protect the hair strands from excessive hair fall and breakages. So now, what are the benefits of fenugreek powder for the hair? Fenugreek, rosemary, flaxseed gel, and amla. So fenugreek seeds is really very good for the hair because it contains ions and proteins, which are two essential nutrients for hair growth. They also contain a unique composition of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins. These compounds are presumed to induce your hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory antifungal effect. Because of the anti-inflammatory properties in fenugreek, is able to grow your hair very well. My next ingredient that I used was the flaxseed. So flaxseed, I really love flaxseed because of how it can be a prepoo. It can also be used as a growth treatment. Flaxseed for hair promotes quicker and longer hair growth by nourishing the roots. It's also good for detangling the hair. If you want to reduce breakage, if you don't want to have excessive breakage during wash day or while combing your hair, use flaxseed because flaxseed is really a good detangling property. Flaxseed contains vitamin E, which nourishes the scalp while reducing free radical damage. It also promotes development and slows hair breaking by improving blood flow on the scalp. You all know that blood flow is how hair grows. If there's no blood flow on your scalp, there's not going to be any hair growth. Like, it's going to be minimum. Your hair growth speed is going to be really low. See how bouncy my hair became. Like, I really enjoy this. If you could tell how I felt while doing this, like, I really enjoyed it. My last and favorite ingredient was amla powder. So amla powder promotes hair growth because it's deeply conditioning them. One of the properties of herbs is they have some conditioning properties and cleansing properties. Something like clay, you can apply clay on your hair. You wouldn't even need to shampoo your hair and your hair will feel as clean. Even with amla powder, you can use amla powder and just rinse it out and your hair will feel as clean. Amla powder helps in preventing hair loss and anti-graying, in premature graying. Amla powder also repairs damaged hair and gives it a darker appearance after consistent use. Amla powder can be mixed with aloe vera and used as a hair mask. In this treatment, I decided to mix amla powder with my fenugreek seeds or my boiled fenugreek seeds. So guys, this is where my video comes to an end. I applied it throughout the hair, like every section of the hair, both the scalp and the strands. And afterwards, I went into the shower and just washed it out, and I could feel how clean my scalp felt. After washing it out with a shampoo, I just moisturized it and then I was good to go. This can be done once in a month. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll be ending here for today. Till next time, please do well to subscribe if you are new and like this video. And let me see what video you would like me to try next time. My name is Lydia once again. Till next time, bye.